ready to feel the rhythm as Santa Ana Elementary School joins for a second time around. The band will showcase lively tunes that are sure to energize the crowd. Pay attention as they travel our streets once again. Santa Ana Central Elementary School!
Ayan, kaway-kaway naman tayo dyan! Wearing red? No, grabe. Ang mga chikiting pod na to, taas pa kaayog energy.
Yes.
Under the scorching heat of the sun, we can definitely feel that they are one with us in this celebration. And gikan pa na sila sa Rojas, no?
Yes, wow. They've come a long way, but they still have the same energy, same smile, same spirit, same vibe. I love it.
Yes, that is the spirit of a true Dabawenyo, no? Yung ating spirit of tenacity, ang ating resilience amidst anything, that is definitely the Dabawenyo spirit we can see right there. And now we have Barangay Mandog! Kaway-kaway naman po tayo dyan!